We are three representatives from Google Inc. So we feel that the court has ruled in favor of us. That is a very welcome decision for us, and this decision is absolutely ethical. What our company has taken, and we stand by it. And analyzing the decision from the light of Pagano's test, the first test, it clearly says that it is legal, yes, because the court has favored us, so it is legal. And coming on to the cost benefit analysis, the utilitarian objective, yes, the decision is absolutely utilitarian, because Android is the most widely used app or the software in the phones, in televisions, and all other electronic devices. So it actually caters to most of the population around the globe. So yes, it has a utilitarian objective as well. Coming on to the media, yes, the media has supported us, because Google, we have done so much CSR, we have given back whatever profits we are earning, we are giving it back to the society as well. And our decision clearly passes the ventilation test as well, as we have done greatest good to the greatest numbers. So absolutely ethical our decision is, and the court is with us. Yes, we stand by our decision.
All right, to build on what my colleague Nikhil just said, using the Pagano test, I'm speaking on the golden rule, which clearly states that you do unto others what you want to be done to you. And if you look at in the tech world, there's what we call the fair use doctrine, which was one of the cases that Oracle was bringing against Google. You realize that before now, Google did what I would call transformative work on Java, because Java had not previously been used in a smartphone, and Java had limited use in mobile phones, and that made it a flip-flop in that era. So Google did a lot of work to make it a commercial success, which is one thing that Oracle tried and failed at. So I think they have justified that aspect of Pagano as the golden rule aspect of Pagano's theory.
Okay, also applying the Pagano, one of the tests from the Pagano 6 test, the ventilation test, get a second opinion from trusted friend. A lot of their Google users and supporters, they were all in support of what they did, because they didn't see anything wrong with them trying to copy, or will I say copy, by using Oracle's Java API, that it demonstrates a legitimacy of fair use in technology. So they cited Google because they know it's going to be beneficial to them. So they didn't see anything wrong with that. So that's it.
So I can totally understand, if you're using Pagano's theory, you might have sort of won the argument, but our position is very strong on the golden rule. Would Google have done the same thing? I don't think so. Google would have sued Oracle in the same way that Oracle is doing right now. And this is kind of double standards from Google, because if you look at the Android platform, the app development on the Android platform is free. But when for the paid applications which have a subscription model, Google charges 30% of the fees. If they so much believe in open source, then why are they charging people for developing applications? This is pure double standards from Google, and this is purely unethical. And using the golden rule as our strongest foot forward, I think the case should be turned over in favor of Oracle.
All right, I'm representing Oracle. Due to me, Pagano's ventilation test is satisfied. According to me, Google being a multinational and a multi-billion-dollar company, they have done a serious unethical thing in the business. They would have sourced the license from the Oracle, but by getting them on the table, and there is a way, there is an ethical way to, carry on the business. Their way of getting Java API code by third party is completely unethical.